Hey guys, sorry, long time no video. I've been busy. So, what do you do with inventory that is too cheap to sell on eBay and too good to just throw away or donate? We have a garage sale. So here we are in our garage sale. This is actually the second day. And, ooh, aren't those fancy signs? Boy, look at the penmanship. So anyway, yeah, remember the bank boxes from past videos? I still got a ton of them. Anyway, so yeah, you park the old trusty trailer across the street so you leave room for people to park. And the boat. And the son's old pickup, and my pickup, and my dad's old pickup. And then here's some pallets that some of the military stuff came with. So actually this is the second day. I did real good the first day. Believe it or not, I sold $600 worth of crap the first day. And I am tired. So, yeah. Starting the second day, and we'll get her going. I'll show you a little bit more. Yeah, all the neighborhood cats are hanging around. They think it's feeding time. My wife feeds these stray cats that come wandering around. So, yeah, I think that one's pregnant. So, looks like we'll have stray cats for a long time around here. Alright, talk to you later. So, the aftermath of the garage sale. Sorry I didn't take more video of the actual garage sale, but yeah, it's over with. And why did I do this? Why did I make my own garage sale? Well, it's pretty profitable. This is the 27th annual Bosque Garage Sale. And they put out this publication. They put it on Craigslist. They advertise well. And in our county, small population in central Texas, there were 155 garage sales in our county with about 8 different towns. And Friday was my big day. I sold $599 worth of stuff. And Saturday, $323, not as good. So I didn't reach $1,000 in sales, but that's better than I did last year. So now that it's over with, I got about half of the stuff put away. Yeah. You like my fancy table? Displaying kitchenwares and glass and stuff. What happens to some of the stuff? Well, this pile's getting thrown out. It's going to the trash. It's not even good enough to donate. Then, let's see. The safe deposit boxes. I started the sale with about 100 of them, and I've got about 30 left. So, yep, I guess I'll save them back. We'll do it again next year. CDs, I sold a few of them. All this is getting donated here, I think. I don't know if anything's... Some of the stuff I'll throw out. The paper towel dispensers. I think I sold 2 of them. I'm going to donate the rest of them. I'm tired of them. Still got some camping gear I got to put away. It'll sell eventually. Another paper towel dispenser. And night lights. I probably sold 20 at $1 a piece. Yeah, The jewelry table was a big hit. All this costume jewelry I got. Let's see. I got all this left. And I just had to have sold at least $100 worth of costume jewelry. And I got all this left over. I think what I'll do with this is put it in lots by the pound and sell it on eBay, because that seems to do pretty good. So, trash. It's time to break down the old garage sale, donate some items, move on to the next phase. So, this is your Silver Harris Tackers saying good luck, God bless, thanks for watching. Bye. Yep, my eBay bucks are ready to spend. Look, I earned $118.55. There it is. Wonder what I'll buy with it. So, I think I'll add a few bucks to it and spend my eBay coupon with Modern Coin Mart and order a little bit more gold. This is a 1/10 ounce, good old American Eagle. Yeah, gotta love them. Gotta add all these to the stack that you can. So, yeah, I think this is what I'll spend my eBay bucks on, and I'll have to add 38 bucks to get this out of my account. So that'd be all right. Add some more gold to the stack. All right. So, how did I get 118 bucks in coupon from eBay to buy something? Well, I bought this not long ago. So, thanks to the alerts from Losing Louie and a guy named Half Dollar, and they both have YouTube channels with which you should watch if you want to stack coins. Those are two good channels, Losing Louie and Half Dollar. So, yeah, if you want to add some gold to your savings portfolio, this is a 1/2 ounce Australian kangaroo, and it's a 2018, I believe, model. My old man eyes can't read the date down there. Hopefully my camera picks it up good enough for you to read. So anyway, 1/2 ounce of gold is worth whatever 1/2 ounce of gold is worth. We got $50 on the Australian dollars. So that'd be about 12 cents in American money. Sorry about that, Australian people. And this coin came from AppMag selling on eBay. So, yeah. What am I going to spend? So I'm getting a 1/10 ounce of gold and a 1/2 ounce of gold for really what this cost retail. So, good deal. Anyway, so that's my gold pickup, and gotta say good luck, God bless, and we'll see you on the next video, whenever that is. I apologize for not doing a video for quite a while, but hey, I'm busy. I'm busy doing garage sales, buying gold and silver, hanging out with the family, whatever else you got to do in the springtime in the United States of America. Bye.